So now I want to show you one final thing about the market, how I took the kind of sniper entry that I took on Friday before the market closed, that eventually gave a very big win. Let's go to Rwanda. Yeah, Rwanda. I think it should be Rwanda. Let's go. I think it should be there in Rwanda. All right. Let's go to Rwanda. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame. So here we are in 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, all our this thing now. Hope they are not deleted. So patiently wait for the drawings to come in. I want to show you this is Rwanda. No, this is not Rwanda. No wonder. This is Rwanda here. This is Rwanda. All right, perfect. Now look at this trade entry. Did you see this did over 900 pips as take profit? But check out the stop loss. The stop loss is 25.5 pips. 25.5 pips. So you can see the risk to reward ratio of this trade is 1 to 35.8 pips. I mean, risk to reward ratio 1 to 35.8 risk to reward ratio. Fortunately, we use this to recover account of some of my guys that I didn't know. In fact, I can't even call them my guy because these are things I didn't know until they realized that my strategy is working wonders, and they approached me, begged me, and now the people's account that they collected to trade for them and money they collected to trade for people, they blew them and scattered the account, and they were in trouble, serious trouble. They now came to me for help. This is one of this one we use it to recover over $3 million in that account by taking 3 positions. You understand? 3 positions of 100 lots each. You get it? So we use this to recover over, I think it's over 3 million. Actually over 3 million in that account. I'll tell you if they can give me the screenshot, I will show it to you like that. And see, you see this kind of stop loss. This is what we do when you are trying to take a sniper entry. Let's go to 1 minute time frame so that you can see the way it was taken. If it was taken here now, you will discover that you cannot beat sniper entry under this time frame. Let's go. 1 minute time frame. This is going to be our last. Let me demonstrate this. This is going to be our last. And if you have any question, you can ask. Before we go there, you see this market here, there was an invisible order block. I call this invisible order block, will become my key area to watch. Now, when I watch the market coming, like I said, you have to, after you identify your key area, you watch the market coming back to that key area, then you go to lower time frame. Remember, this has to be marked out in your entry time frame. For me, it is 15 minutes. And so when this candle was building up, I had to go to 1 minute time frame to go and observe. So when I get to 1 minute time frame, what did I see? Let's go and explain it there. All right. So this is it. All right. So in this time frame, what I did was this. I think it's locked, so I can drag it. It's locked, I can drag it confidently. All right. So ladies and gentlemen, all right, this is how I took the trade. So when I came to the 1 minute time frame, I was watching because it was approaching my key area in my entry time frame. And look at what happened. There was a low, but a kind of higher low. And then there is another low that is a lower low. And when next you want to make a low, it was another higher low, thereby making this place to look like head and shoulder bottom. But you can see all the rejection here. See the rejection here. so that when this candle begin to form here, because of I entered this trade from this candle after this rejection, just simply because of this. Now I couldn't take it here because it did a lower, a lower low instead of a higher low. So I can't take a buy from here. I want to be sure of what market is doing. Immediately it gave me this one. This is a signal that it wants to start going up. So I caught it right from here. And you can see this candle came to try, but it couldn't get to that point. And since then, it started rising higher. So that is the turning pattern I talked about, that you have to come to lower time frame and identify. So you just go keep learning this and trying to practice over and over, practice and fail until you eventually master this. That's just the key of mastering how to take this. So just follow this example, come back to this video, watch them over and over again, practice and practice and practice. And I tell you, you get to the point where you will eventually be able to deal with them. You see, when I took this trade went into straight to TP after, because of this gap that happened. We took it on Friday. You see, we took it from here after noticing it. You see what the market did. The market did a whole lot of things. Let me cover this so that I can show you very well. So after taking the trade around here, the market still went and did all this, did all this, and stopped here. And then this morning, today Monday, there was a gap, and that gap just catapulted me into profit. So you see that, like I was saying before, that this was key to recovering account that some of my guys that did not even talk to me about it lost when they saw that my strategy is working, and then they started calling me and begging me to help them out. And I took this trade, and this trade, I can tell you, won almost $4 million, because it is three position of 100 pip each for three positions on gold I was taking around here, and then really help to recover a huge amount of money that have blown, people's money that have blown right now. And of course, I'm trying to make a deal with them right now because I can't be doing all that for free. I've recovered for them a lot. And then they don't blow people accounts. So for those of you that don't know how to trade, please learn how to trade. Don't go and trust some people that don't know how to trade and they want to come and claim that they know how to trade. Go and learn yourself, and then you'll be able to handle it yourself. All right, so we call it a day here. Until I come with you with another strategy video, is bye for now.